Alrighty, well, welcome back. Day 2 of starting Herdling. Alright, what do I do? Hey guys, can we... Oh. F Pat Paj. Oh, Paj doesn't want to be Pat? Oh. Paj is tired? No, Paj is happy. Okay, where is everybody? Oh, it's raining. I didn't know it rained. Where are all my calicorns? Where did they go? Oh my god, they glitched? Why are they over there? Come on, guys. Where's the other one? What? I had another one. I'm so very confused. Alyssa. Where's Alyssa? Are you Alyssa? We got Barsha, Cammy, Yunja, Paj, Alyssa. Okay, it like undid what I did earlier. That's fine. Okay, can you guys come over here, please? I need one of you to come with me. Can we get up? Listen, guys. I need one of you to come with me. Okay, good. Good. Go. This way. What the hell? Do I have to go to sleep again? Did it not save me going to sleep? Something feels fishy. Oh, that was a cute noise. Did that happen last time? Okay. I can hear them. The fire's out. That makes me feel good. Alright, can we go get Alyssa? Hopefully Alyssa can get a new name. Because we're not a fan of that. Okay, this way. Yeah. Now you guys want to listen. We have to go save Alyssa. Okay, what are we doing? Go that way. And then go that way. And then stop. Why do you guys do this? You do this every time. See, I'm a friend. Come on out. No. Bruh. Okay. What do you mean? I'm literally with them. Why are you not my friend? Good. Yes. Feed. Feed. Let me feed. I broke the game. Right. I feel like there was a way to call them to me, but I forget how. Yeah, what? No, come over here. Why are you guys doing this? What did I do to you? I feed you. I made fire. You guys can't make fire. I did that. Now help me get this frickin' thing. No, babe. What am I doing wrong? What do I not understand? Go be friends. You guys are pissing me off. Okay, Paj. Here you go. You see? Everybody gets a thing. Can I feed you the thing? Look, it's right there. This is getting ridiculous. Oh my... I give up. I give up. Right, come on. What are you doing? Something feels wrong. My controls feel off. This doesn't feel right. But I guess we haven't gone this way. Sorry, Alyssa, you're glitched. You didn't match the vibe. I really wish that we could have gotten that to work. Okay, can you guys not? Nothing is working. Thank you. I just want you guys to run across the bridge. It's not that complicated. Oh my god, what does that mean? What does music mean? This game has such odd music times, and I mean that endearingly. It's just that with like every other game I've ever played, when random music starts, it either means you've entered a new biome, which, you know, this is still grass and rocks, so I don't think we've entered a new biome. Or it means like you have a fight that's about to happen, like there's a boss that's coming up, or something. And neither of those things happen when the music plays. I feel like the music just plays. It doesn't have meaning. Okay, I say that as we see a giant circular rock sculpture. What the heck is that? Okay, maybe that's what the whimsical music meant. Okay, can you freaking stampede, please? Thank you. Okay, it's doing it again. I feel like it has to be. Is it the butterflies? What do butterflies mean? Hey, where'd it go? Did I imagine it? Because I could have sworn we had a giant rock sculpture in the distance. And by distance, I mean presently where we're standing. Okay. Hold up for a minute. What is this? What is that? Oh, maybe we have to go around. Okay, hold on. It looked like a roof. Like a barn? I don't know. Oh, Paj, what happened to your colors? Colorless Paj? Aw, river. That's cute. Do you guys need some water? No? Okay, well don't run into the tree. Oh my goodness, you just you just went through the tree. Cammy. Okay, so we still don't have an objective, but we only have one way to go. So I'm assuming that, we just follow the path until we're either told to do something else. Oh, we have to go over the water. Okay, hold on. Will you guys just walk over the water, or do we have to run over the water? I'm gonna, you know, just tell you to run over it just in case. We don't get swept away by the current. What is that? Oh, it's a statue. Okay. Cammy, look, it's you. What does it mean? What is it? Can I feed it to you? Can I keep the rock? I don't think you can see that in the recording, but when you put the rock on Cammy's horn, the objective is called "Can I Keep That Rock?" which is pretty sick. I guess yes, we can keep the rock. Aw, I ran through the leaf pile. That's so cute. Okay, what does Cammy's rock do? Other than make him look sick. He's got the drip, he's got the colors, he's got the rock. Cammy's killing it. Okay, question number 2. Does feeding them these things do anything? Or is it... Obviously they can heal with the things, right? We like that. When I run them into more giant pieces of metal, inevitably, this will save their life. But the question is, do they need it? Or is it just for funsies? Like, if I keep feeding the little ones it, are they gonna get as big as Cammy? Because that would be cool. Another bridge. And another new beat. I like it. The music's good. I mean, I haven't hated a single one of the songs that they've played. None of them have answered the question as to why they're playing. But they're good beats. They're definitely setting an ambiance that I'm not upset about. Oh. I don't even know what instrument that is, but they're coming in hot. Oh, did I stampede you into a tree? Okay, go that way. Go that way. Good calicorns. Alright, we're crossing the river again? Is it a new river? Is it the same river? I don't know. I haven't been paying attention. Wait. Wait. What is it? What is it? I found another one. He's dancing. Why are we dancing? Okay, I don't know what it means. I still don't know what it means. But you look cute, Cammy. I'm a fan. We got the drip. Are there more? No, it doesn't look like there's more. Ooh. Sorry, guys. Didn't give you much direction there. That's a car. What's... That's a small car. Oh, I guess it's not that small. Are they just to block so that we have to go on the road? Okay. That's fine. Overgrown road, which is weird because we passed a very functioning bridge earlier, so I don't know why this one's overgrown. It's okay, they're coming. Come on, boys. Good baby. Oh, you're so helpful. Hey, pretty one. You're Alyssa part 2. Don't worry, I'll give you a real name. Alyssa will live in our hearts. Hello. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Direct? I don't like the CHD. I don't know how to say that. Direct? I also just don't like it. I can call you Dura. Should we do that? Or Dirach. Dirach is okay. I just don't know what the D was doing. Dirached. Dirach. Alright, I'll do Dirach. Such a good boy. Girl? Such a good Calicorn. I don't know if you guys have genders. I don't want to assume. A good Calicorn. Alright. Stampede of 5. Has more power. Has more whimsy. Has more strength. Yes. I'm building an army. That's truly what we're doing. This isn't a fun, peaceful, loving, building, you know, found family type of thing. This is fully, I'm going to train these magical beasts to take on society. And we will cropple the city that... Cropple? Topple. That's the word I was looking for. Topple the city that, you know, let a child be homeless and not do anything about it. Okay, sorry guys, I let you in a circle. Trash. See? This is why. This is what we face. City garbage in the woods. Come on guys, Calicorns live here. Oh. Plow, plow, plow. I don't think it meant for me to stampede there, but I accidentally did stampede there, so sorry guys. But yeah, just follow the bend. You don't even need me. You guys know. Obviously, don't run into the rock. Walk around the rock. Good, good. Okay, this way. I want more stones. I've only put them on Cammy. Sorry, I gotta get their name right. I've only put them on Cammy. But now that I think about it, I don't know if that's because I had to, or if I just accidentally favored Cammy. And those are... No, we're not. We're not doing that again. Okay, yeah, you guys go that way. I'm just gonna do a quick gut check. I don't see anything. Oh my god! Oh, nice. Scared me half to death. I thought you were gonna run into something dangerous again. I don't have any magical fruit. This isn't anything, this is just rocks, right? Okay. Sick. That looks like I'm gonna have to go up there, but we'll figure that out when we get to it. Okay, okay, okay. A bike! I can't do anything with a bike. Just trash. Just trash in the forest. Oh! Cammy! Cammy, that's a big friend! And I have magical fruit! Hey! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's hurt. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was holding fruit. I was holding fruit. Is he alive? Oh my god, he's alive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Scare me half to death. That's ridiculous. I thought I killed you. I will treat you better. I don't even have words. Oh, you're so cute. You're like a... You're kind of like skunk colored. It's okay. It's okay. We're all friends here. You're so pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe. Toe. Fate has decided that his name is Toe. I, I have to accept it. I have to accept that his name is Toe. Big Toe. Alright, Cammy, I don't think you're in competition for naming conventions. Alright, go that way. Welcome to the family. Toe. I should have picked a different number. Why did I do 3? Or 4. I did 4. I should have done 3. I should have done any number that's not 4 and leaves me calling my calicorn Toe. What an interesting combination of names that this game gives you. We have Durach, we have Kambala, we have Alyssa, which feels like it came out of left field, and now Toe, which I feel like I can't talk bad about Alyssa now. Alright, so does this have to go to Toe? Oh no, it can't go on anybody. Okay. No offense, Toe, but you haven't really earned your keep yet, I don't think, in terms of getting a rock. The more I say it out loud. Oh wow, we're getting tons. Oh, I dropped it. Guys, stop moving. Yeah, that's for you. You're welcome. Why do I feel like you don't like it? Huh? That's for you. I can't believe I gave Cammy 2. That's definitely showing favoritism. It's not intentional, guys. I promise. I don't care for Cammy more. I love you all equally. Even though I just met Toe, which I don't want you to make it seem like I'm undermining the amount that I love you. Toe grew on me fast. Are these playing me? Are these not going to give me another rock? This looks like prime time to get a new rock. No? Really? It's honestly kind of rude. You tell me to look out for shaped rocks, and then you give me shaped rocks and don't give me a reward? Whoa. Whoa. What is this? Oh, another shaped rock. Alright. Throw, hold, and release. Oh, are we playing fetch? Because that's really cute. I can make a fire. This looks like a fire. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Oh, but this is a big fire. It takes 3. And a big bed. Oh, you brought the ball back. Go get it. Alright. Good calicorns curl up at the fire. People want more of these? Oh, you don't want it? Can I feed it to Toe? Here you go, Toe. I'm sorry, you just got comfy. Good boy. Alright, do we have any other cool rocks before we sleep for the night? Hey, buddy, what are you doing over here? Yeah, let me clean you. What did you get rolled around in some bushes? Silly, silly. How'd you all get... Oh, is this because I forced you guys to go through the bushes? I'm sorry. That's on me. Oh, tidy up. Oh, I'm just petting you? Okay, this isn't favoritism. I just, I pruned everybody else. Bro, why are you standing in the fire? Chill. Aw, such a good Cammy. I can't believe I gave you 2 rocks. Ready for bed. Oh yeah, they're all sitting by the campfire. Can't get enough beds. Oh yeah, I'm getting all the achievements. See, this is why you pet your calicorns. That looks like a rock. How do I get up there? E. Oh, I just made him curl up for bed. Is he gonna lift me up? Such a cutie patootie. Yes, give me rocks. This is the best objective the game's ever given me. Collect rocks. Okay, Toe doesn't have one. Is Toe the only one to not have one? No, I did not give one to Durach. I did give one to Durach. A harness? Can I ride them? Wait, why'd I give it to him? No offense. No offense to Durach. It's just if I was going to ride one of my calicorns. I think I'd ride one of the big ones. Honestly, in their best interest. I don't think one of the tiny ones... Oh, that's where we're going next. We're gonna push down that. Okay. Okay, so let's sleep. I think I got all the rocks. Sleep is good. Why is this shiny? Oh, I didn't put this on anybody. There you go. Toe. Big toe. Toe gets the toe-shaped one. I did not get all the rocks. There's so many rocks. How did I miss all these rocks? Okay, everybody has one? I don't think you have one. Yeah, there you go. That's the ball. No, I don't want to play fetch right now, because then they're gonna all get up. Okay. I know I've said it like 3 times. But this time, magic number 4, I think I do sincerely have all the rocks. Okay, okay. I can live with that. I can live with that. E. Sleep. Do I have to have a bigger and bigger fire for how many people that I get? Hypothetically, I'm missing somebody, which is why there's that, I think, that little space there. Because we forgot Alyssa. But that's okay. I hope I'm not really loud. I realize that I've adjusted my audio settings on recording. And I think... Oh. Oh. Where are we going? Why are we running? Why are we scared? Why are you leaving me behind? Wait. What's wrong? We're not gonna have to fight it. Oh my god! Oh my god! You get away. Back off of my calicorns. Back off. Hello, baby. Hello, poor baby. Let me get you some nom noms. Do you want the noms? Yeah, it's okay. Have some magic fruit. Yeah, we're good. We're all good. Yeah, such a good calicorn. That super scary bird isn't gonna harm you anymore. You know what that bird reminded me of? It reminded me of the bird from Avatar: The Last Airbender. I want to say it was the third book, where they go into the underground library and there's the bird that's the keeper of knowledge. That bird gave me nightmares as a child. Joel, that bird scared me every day of my life when I was a kid. I had nightmares. So we're definitely going to stay away from that bird, and you're going to be safe with me. In this herd, we take care of our Joels. There you go. There you go. Let's move along, move along. Whoa, we have so many stampedes now. Ah, scary bird. Scary bird drawings. They're attacking the calicorns. Why are we going deeper? Yeah, it's okay, guys. Just go this way, I guess. I don't know what this means. These rocks look like they're piles of books. Because rocks are knowledge. Because knowledge rocks. I don't know why I didn't say it that way the first time. I'm still freaked out by the bird. Yeah, let's go the creepy way. With all the feathers. Shit. Oh, the creepy fucking bird. Run. Run. Stampede? Is it upset at us for knocking these over? Because I feel like we're doing that intentionally. Ah! No! I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Is it because we knocked those over? Is it because I'm a bad herder? Shoot! I'm a bad herder. And I hurt one of my calicorns, and if he gets hurt again, he's probably gonna die. Crap. Okay. I think that was my fault. I think that was entirely my fault. I think I should have had them. Oh, are we getting dirty again? That looks sharp. That looks very sharp. Oh, that was too far. Okay. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. This isn't creepy. This is good. Oh, another rock? Okay, where's Joel? Which one's? This is gonna sound bad. Are you Joel? I think you're Joel. Yeah, there's your rock. Welcome to the pack. I'm gonna. Ooh, there's two ways to go. Well, I accidentally already picked. Hopefully, that doesn't mean anything. This isn't creepy. Is the bird gonna come back? Okay, I definitely feel like the other path. Oh, oh, don't walk into that wall. Okay, get out of my... I need you guys to move for like a second. Okay. Or maybe not. I think the other way literally just went here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we're good. We're good. There's no rocks. All right. I did hear the creepy bird, but that probably means nothing. No! Don't stab yourselves. I can't afford any more. Dude, you were running so close to that. I didn't even lead you that direction. That feels like it's the bird. Why is the bird mad? What did we do to offend it? Oh, sweet. Magical fruit. What is that? Why is the ghost of Christmas past in front of us? Oh, he's gone. Everything's good, right? You're not hurt anymore? That's a good baby. Rock! This is a good rock. That's a good rock, Toe. You got a really good one. Okay, another rock? Yes! I'm loving these rocks. Okay. I think everybody has one. So I'm just giving them out now. Like they're hot commodities. I do need to find out if these do anything other than heal, because I am giving them to them just so they can, like, become colorful. I don't know if there's anything else that they do. Like, can I keep feeding them past that point? I mean, I can. Should I? That's so many of those weird things. Okay, okay. Hold up. Yeah, I feel like we should try to avoid them. And maybe we won't offend the bird. Okay, let's go hard to the right. We're okay. Stay away from the bird. Good calicorns. Okay. And then let's go this way. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. No, we're not good. You guys are testing my patience. I don't want to go under the bird. I want to go to the right of the bird. Oh my god. Got as close to that one as you possibly could. Stop! What the heck? What the heck was that? Go this way. Why'd you go backwards? We're good. He's sleeping. We're fine. Creepy bird averted. Amazing. Okay, yeah. So I think avoid those things in the future. Otherwise, bird gets mad and bird attacks. It's making the weird noises. And now there's more creepy drawings of birds. But I think we're okay. I'm just going to check under here and make sure we didn't miss anything. I don't think we did. I think it was just another way to go. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're good. Doesn't matter. Alright. Come on, babes. Let's keep it moving. Run! That looks like we're gonna get a rock. Mama's sensing rocks and more of the creepy things. More of the creepy things and no rocks. I was tricked into thinking we were gonna get more rocks. I know, I'm telling you to go, I'm telling you to stop. It's confusing. I'm confused. But like, this is we're so close to like things. Your toe, you're scaring me so bad. And I feel like the last time we hit something, you hit it intentionally. I did not tell you to go that way, and you went that way anyway. Okay, so we're treading carefully. We're being so careful. Shit. Did my stick get more flowers on it? I don't remember my stick having that many flowers on it. Oh, I didn't even notice that bird. Jeez. Frickin' walk. Get away from the bird. The bird's scary. I just want to be away from the birds, man. Okay. Okay. That looks like we're home free from the birds. There's no more creepy drawings. I think we passed the chapter. We did good. That way, that way, that way. Stampede! Oh yeah! So many of us. We're stampeding. I think that hint when one of mine got hurt and it was red at the bottom, I think that is indicative that if you have hurt calicorns, you can't stampede as much. Oh, is something happening? No? Just leaves rustling? And there's the music. The music that we know and love. Ah, shoot. Hold on, now you're dirty. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Good Barsha. So pretty. Okay. Oh, what's that up there? That looks like something. Oh, the music's so happy. Dun, 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 dun. I like the music. I vibe with it. Don't run into the rock. Or run into the rock. We're back to the wide open spaces. That's a big mountain. There's probably gonna be like an actual mountain biome, if I had to guess. I just wasted a stampede, but I think that's okay. I don't think we're actually running from anything. I just want to get to this. I don't even know if this is a thing. It just feels like a good place to be. Yeah, move it. Move along. Alright. Let's give some of these to our guys so that everybody can be comfortable. Oh, reaching the ferry. Yeah. See, that was an objective. Chapter. Good. Okay. So before we embark on our Lord of the Rings chapter of running away from scary things by going on a ferry, I'm going to end it here. Thank y'all. Oh, nope, don't do that yet. Okay. Thank you guys for joining me for day 2 of playing Herdlings. Appreciate your time. Let me know what you think. If you're enjoying the game, if you have any tips, if you know what those fruit do other than healing, if I should keep feeding them, that would be great information. But other than that, looking forward to playing out the rest. Thank you guys.